President Emmanuel Macron concluded his state visit to the United States on Friday. The French president said he had an interesting visit. He was hosted at the White House, strolled the streets of New Orleans, and did everything according to plan. But what stood out was the unannounced face-to-face meeting with Twitter's owner, Elon Musk. President Macron said he had a clear and honest discussion with Musk. The discussion came right after the French president had showed his concerns on content moderation on the highly influential platform. Right after the unexpected meeting, the president went on Twitter to announce what they had discussed in a series of tweets. Twitter's content moderation policies was the main focus of the meeting. He said, and I'm quoting, "Transparent terms of use, significant reinforcement of content moderation and protection of freedom of expression. Twitter must make the effort to comply with European regulations." Other than that, Macron also emphasized on his ambitions to decarbonize and re-industrialize France and Europe and what role Twitter can play in that process. Expressing his thoughts in a tweet, he announced his partnership with Musk to work towards green industrial projects, in particular the manufacturing of electric vehicles and batteries. The meeting comes at a time when researchers report a surge in hate speech on the social media platform and Musk facing pressure of his plans for Twitter and the site's ability to control hate mongers and illegal content. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.